Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the most fun summer products on all of Amazon. And this is definitely one of them. This is from Thrill Zoo. It is their trampoline water park. You guys, this is such a cool product. It easily transforms your trampoline into a water park. Like, this is so amazing. It's gonna be great for birthday parties, backyard cookouts, anything like that. This is just incredible. Kids are going to love it. Adults are gonna love it. This is just a super awesome product. It's really, really easy to install, and it's also made of crazy durable materials. It comes with an amazing all summer long guarantee, 180 days. They're gonna take care of you if anything goes wrong, but I highly doubt it is, because they know that this is just a really well-made quality product. It's super easy to install, and it works on pretty much any enclosure that you have, whether it's dome shaped or straight up. It's gonna adjust to fit. It's also gonna be really safe. It goes on the outside of the pole, so you're not gonna have kids yanking on it or grabbing it. And it has a gap, like for where you get in the trampoline from. It's going to stop and kind of have that be the safety warm-up zone to where that part is not gonna get wet. This also is going to be really cool that it lowers the temperature of your trampoline by up to 25 degrees. So on those really, really hot days when it's almost too hot to get outside, it's almost too hot to put your feet on the trampoline, this is gonna solve all of those issues and just put, playing outside back in style for this summer. So definitely check this out, the Thrill Zoo Trampoline Water Park. You're gonna be the life of the party. Go ahead, it's a great product, and you have that amazing money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Go ahead, put it in your cart. You're gonna be really, really glad you did.